All righty, folks. How many of you have dove into the rabbit hole that is Cody Sanchez? I know I enjoy listening to her. I think she has a wonderful storytelling ability. I think she gets you super excited about boring businesses. But you know what? Most of us need the capital to get the deal done. So what I wanted to ask Bo here, we talked about SBA 7A, we talked about SBA 504 and 504 green, but I want to talk to Bo. When is it too soon for somebody to reach out to you, right? I have a feeling lots of one rental at a time fans are booking time with you, but I also want to be respectful to your time. When is it too soon to book time with you?
You know what? If you are truly have a burning desire and you want to do it, and even if you're green, I will spend 15 minutes with you. I mean, I, I give a lot of time away. You know, obviously I might make money in the future working together with you, but at the end of the day, I want to help as many people as I can. But just be ready to, you know, I want you to be ready to at least take action. And when I say take action, I mean that's be looking at businesses, be developing your buy box, be interested in looking at franchise concepts. I have a whole franchise team that I can refer you to that's gonna walk you through the whole process. If you're in that stage, let's talk because I'm happy to talk to you, and then just be respectful. And you know, when you book a time, just show up because that's all I ask for because my time's valuable, just like yours.
Mhm.
And but I'm here to give guidance and help. I mean, I've owned franchises. I've owned a real estate franchise. I, I'm invested in two different business opportunities. I'm invested in other people's businesses. I own like 17 or 18 residential doors. So I'm pretty diverse. I'm a real estate broker. Do commercial finance. I have a good overview. And plus, most of my friends are successful business owners that I hang out with. So I can show you what other people are doing. And what I'm seeing most investors doing right now that are in the real estate world is they probably have a W-2 job. They have 4, 5, 6 doors. They're doing fairly well. They got 200 grand a year W-2 job. They've got no worries in the world, but they do want to create legacy. And those are the people that we can help the most. Those are the people that like have the means. If you're looking, for example, if you're looking for a franchise, we can get you into a franchise. You know, the good home service based business franchise models anywhere from 110 to $200,000 home based type of franchise model. So you can get in there. You got to be financeable if you don't have the cash. So we could be SBA financing, right? So you have to have a little bit of money, or at least a family member that will put up a little bit of money, and you have to have good credit, right? And we're able to help you. Now, if you don't have good credit, you can still do deals, but you're gonna have to learn how to be a very creative deal structurer, just like in real estate. Like when I had no money, I had bad credit, and I wanted to flip houses. So after the 2007 downturn, I was in my 20s. I got in a really bad shape. Like many people did at that time, but I didn't know anything about, like if I would have been listening to One Round at a Time at that time, I wouldn't have gotten what I was doing. I owned basically 12 non-cash flowing properties. I was buying on
Alligators.
appreciations.
Those would be called alligators.
Yes, alligators. So like when I came out of that, I still wanted to flip houses once I got back to my feet. So I was able to figure out how to do it by partnering with the right people. So there's still ways if you don't have a lot of, if your credit's bad and so forth. But really, we're looking for people that have the means. They have a W-2 job or they're self-employed. They have 650 plus credit scores. Those are the people we can really help, and we can supercharge their growth in the business world.
Well, I know you're helping a lot of people. I wanted to be respectful of your time, but this is what I think I heard you say. If you're a follower of One Rental at a Time and watching this video and Cody Sanchez has excited you, you will take a 15-minute call.
That's
Be
correct.
respectful, show up, but you're willing to help. That's just who you are. So you are the concierge to help people get financing, but you're also somebody that's a go-giver and will help, which I appreciate. Thank you for being here. How would they reach out to you if they wanted to schedule a call?
Simply go to beaueckstein.biz and click on One Run at a Time, schedule a call.
There you go, folks. And that is a website, not an email. Yes, beaueckstein.biz will not work as an email address. It's a website. Thanks, buddy.
You bet.